have to keep myself together as long as you're around. Every time you come out, it's sunshine weather in my little hero town. It's only natural for me to feel this way about you. You're the world's most beautiful girl. It's only natural for me to be so protective about you. Oh, my sweet Hawaiian girl. It breaks my heart to see my island kings do nothing but use and abuse them, thinking they could take that beauty away. I know I came from a woman that looks just like her, so I could never live with myself if I had to hurt something so precious. It's only natural for me to feel this way about you. You're the world's most beautiful girl. You're the most beautiful. It's only natural for me to be so protective about you. Oh, my sweet Hawaiian girl.
What a girl. Travel the world now from the start to the end. I never find a woman like you ever again, girl. Love is for real, I know it's not pretend. I want you with me to the end. You could be my wife, we could build a life. We could come together, make the wrong things right. Please open your eyes, we could win the prize. Naturally loving you Hawaiian style, Hawaiian girl.